we back with another vlog. I'm not gonna lie, I'm mad bummy right now, but it's been a long night, so I'm gonna get straight back into vlogging, get this new video up for y'all. We're currently at the mall, bro, scavenging for some food. Honestly, I'm gonna probably just get whatever. I'm so hungry, bro. Bro, this is the real crumble cookie, not none of that US bullshit.
It's shot o'clock?
Oh gosh. Nah, it can't be. It's just water.
Water? Water?
Oh.
No alcohol? Oh, I want alcohol.
I'm in here drinking flower water. It's good.
Oh, I guess that's good.
Okay, so I actually spoke too soon, bro. This shit is noodles, bro. It's noodles. It's spicy. My eyes are tearing up. Listen, all I'm saying is shout out to whatever fish paid the ultimate price to let me eat this meal. This shit good as hell. But I just want to take a moment to thank God, because none of this would be possible without the one above. No lies. A year ago, I was literally in a college classroom with the 1.7 GPA. I ain't see a way out, man. But put my head down, grinded, and now we're here. Just the beginning, though. But just want to thank the one above. None of this would be possible. So I need everybody to stop what you're doing right now and comment down below how much you think this entire table cost. Can't make this up, bro. Look at this shit. You can literally shop for days in this bitch, bro. Fuck digital or no, bro.
Fuck you too, nigga.
First time having boba. Let's give y'all a blind reaction. Bro, I just got a ball in my mouth. What you get?
I got some cupcakes like a man would. Got no
Bro,
balls.
bro, you're a cupcake, bro. That's even worse. That's worse.
I'm not. And we got some Zara jeans, you know.
Tight.
Vibes.
What'd you get, Jason?
I got me a slice of cheesecake.
Cheesecake. And H&M. Just got me a motorbike. Let me not leak the Addy. Price is $138, and I guarantee I negotiated down to $100. I'm a fucking G. We go here. We go. Chatu. Very far, but we pay about 500. Wow, very expensive. Here.
300.
Chatuchak market. Huh? Chatuchak market.
No, Chatuchak. No.
Chatuchak.
Chatuchak.
This thing got exhaust on it, man. 50 baht.
Oh, yeah, that's making
Still got exhaust, bro. We in a super tutu. Fuck the supercar. Alright, so we about to see what we get into. Honestly, I don't even know. I don't know what the hell Renell's doing, bro. We're side questing, bro. We got like a 20-minute walk to Soy Cowboy. Y'all, I spent an OD amount of baht today, bruh. Like, just designer and a club or whatever, but honestly, it's not too bad. Let's check the store for the day. It's currently 2:08 a.m. We're at 1.7K, so it's not bad. 5% conversion rate. I'm asleep, and I'll see y'all in the morning.
The next morning.
I wasn't even gonna pick up the camera right now, but I am, because think of me as like a Thailand mentorship. All right, if you see an Indian lady at the stand trying to sell you a speaker, do not buy that shit, because it's not going to work 99% of the time. Bro, this is our second speaker in Thailand that's broke. You mean to tell me we make all this money to eat bugs? We can eat at the finest restaurants and we eat bugs. Hey guys, make sure y'all click the link in the bio. Okay, I'm gonna do it. For the vlog. It's a mindset thing. If I don't eat this, I won't hit 10K in Thailand. Ready, go. Don't think, just do it.
Not right. Just eat that.
Just do it. Alright, I'm gonna just give a little update. Honestly, we woke up. Alright, we don't doom scroll on TikTok like Renell. We doom scroll Caladan. Bro, you was just doom scrolling, bro.
Researching, bro.
You hear that cha-ching, bro? It's just too easy. Anyway.
Hey, don't be fooled.
Anyway, bro, so we just found a new banger product. We got that bitch up. We got the ads going, and we gonna print some money. Yeah, but nah, for real. On a serious note, that is the update, and I'm gonna get back to y'all after we finish up this work. Probably go hit the gym, do some Some crazy shit. We'll see. I did launch a new product yesterday. Here are the results. We spent $83, 8% click-through rate, $1 CPC, and 5 added cards. Honestly, not too crazy. So once I do my little AI style, which I do teach in the community, then y'all gonna see it convert like gold. Trust me, I never miss with this style, so.
His community is fucking fire. Like, I literally went from 0 to $1 trillion after joining his fucking community, right? You gotta join it.
No doubt, you heard it here, bro, trillionaire. Yesterday we got shit on, bro. A 2% conversion rate, 1.3K in sales, and we spent $1,600. Like, look at the drop, down 55%. Everything is down over 50%. I gotta fix these chargebacks. I'm getting a whole subscription team so that we can get rid of the little spammers who just want the discounts. And then we'll be good from there, going into the New Year's with a bang. I don't know what's going on with Thailand, bro, but they keep building shit just to knock it down like the next day. I swear, the whole time we've been here, bro, they've built this shit maybe 3 or 4 times, and now it's back to nothing, just like day one. Hey, y'all, so if y'all haven't been up to date, supposedly, like, TikTok's supposed to get banned or some shit like that, bro.
Next month, January.
Yeah, bro. Honestly, but we ain't tripping. You know we gonna adapt every time. So we on lemonade, bro. Go ahead and follow me, bro. Hey, y'all boys, we just got done hooping, man. I'm not gonna lie. I'm out of shape, but I still got it in me, bro. I'm a retired hooper if y'all do not know. If it wasn't for hooping, I wouldn't, I don't know what I'm talking about. If it wasn't for e-com, I'd still be hooping, bro. But anyway, I just came. Man, this nigga busting this nigga ass. We got the runs, bro. It's good vibes out here, man. Good vibes. Got the game's going, but I'm gonna get back, crush some more work. I just want to work, honestly, right now, bro. Working. You already know the vibes. We got some food, bro. I finally got some U.S. food, a burger and fries. Can't go wrong with it. This is basically like Shake Shack back in Texas, bro. Got my Thai Coke. Yeah, not too much crazy views behind us, but finna hit this work, eat, and sleep, and repeat. Ride my Jeep, SRT. It's 4 a.m. I'm not gonna lie. I just woke up. I was so tired. Cha-chings. Gotta get some of that midnight water, bro. I ain't gonna lie. New product is absolutely killing for us. I can't even expose too much, but we got 2 sales per campaign, 600 reach, 700 impression. Cost per result, a little bit high, but it's second day. It's going to drop. Amount spent, and then day 3 is gonna be something stupid because we finna up budgets and we finna add in some new banger creatives. Come on, brother, man. 2 bags of snacks, bro.
Snacks, we loaded up on the snack. This one, can I have the Santa cake too?
Holy shit.
Damn, this bitch look good. Can't tell me this don't look good, man. Getting that Christmas spirit. It don't even feel like Christmas right now.
Holy walking diabetes, bro.
It is what it is, man.
About to try the street food. We're gonna see what it's tasting like. You feel me? This is gonna be our breakfast. We haven't ate yet before we devour these snacks and do some more work.
Hey, man. Fuck it, let's try. This is that $2 food. This is that 50-cent food they be talking
Why
about.
you so close to the camera, bro? Relax.
Why, Michael?
Relax, bro. Nah, this is gonna be good. I already know. Shout out America, man. That's home, but no way I gotta go back. There's no way I gotta go back.
Fried rice.
Sheesh, lime.
Fried shrimp in this.
This is lime, G. First.
Oh, they gave, where? Oh, I didn't know they gave this to us.
First little glimpse of. Damn, I might need a plate, man.
Oh, it's hot. It's steaming.
That's good.
It's good. Yeah, you just tried it, and he seems okay, but if in 12 hours we're both fucking on the toilet, shitting our ass off, so be it. I ain't gonna lie, this is some good food, bro.
This is good, bro. Food was buzzing. But we did just go on a little date or whatever, so that was cool. Good little experience. But now it's back to work, back to grinding. Dude, my legs are so cooked from hitting the gym and shit. But we gotta get to it, bro. No distractions. So we gonna lock in some more and make some more money. It's looking like a good day. So far, it's like 8 a.m. Texas time, and we're already at 1K revenue. So it should be like a high 3K to 4K day. New products doing good as well. Positive ROAS. Pushing out new creatives every day, so I can't wait to see the results from that. But that's just a little update, and I'll keep y'all posted. just hopped off of a call with my back-end team. So we're building our subscription funnels and just getting upsells so we can really drive up to those like $300,000, $400,000 months. Honestly, being a brand owner comes with things. You have the back end that you have to do. You have like other platforms, Amazon, TikTok Shop. Honestly, it's just constant work. But guess what? When you sell the brand for like 8 figures, 7 figures, it's gonna be worth it, and you're not gonna be thinking about all this. So just put that work in and grind. And if you are interested in launching a brand, making over $50,000 per month, make sure you click that link in the bio, because we're gonna help you get set up. That way you can have an 8-figure exit as well. But I'm gonna get back to whatever I'm about to do, finish up some work, and I'll keep y'all posted when we do something fun. We just booked this Airbnb in Koh Samui. I'm not gonna lie, this shit goes absolutely stupid. Like, bro, who y'all know doing it? A pool inside of the unit, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that's some baller shit. Content's gonna go stupid, but. So Renell's been down in the dumps. He's been a little sluggish this morning. He thought January 22nd was December 22nd. So we got him.
Oh my God.
We got him his morning water.
That bitch went straight to the chest.
Straight to the chest. I couldn't ask for a better life.
You know what is a better life? Let me show them something real quick. Let me see a rev check. This is like, oh,
rev check.
God. This is, we're up 500% today.
Oh,
you know what that means? Well, okay, hold on. Let me explain what this percentage shit means to them real quick. Let me give y'all boys some Shopify analytical sauce real quick, because you know I'm digital right now. You know what I'm saying? You gotta try out. So look, today, technically on this store, since I changed the time zone, it's only 5 a.m. But we're already at 1.6K in sales. And it's up 490%. Let's round that up to 500% real quick. That means yesterday we did 4.3K in sales, right? And we're up 500% from yesterday, meaning that if we continue the way we're going now, we're gonna make 500% more than what we made yesterday. If you do the fucking math, 500% of $4,000, that's 4 times 5, right? 4,000, $20,000. Wait, actually? I'm on track to a $21,000 day today, boys. Am I having a sluggish day now?
Bro. Me, on the other hand, we take it slow and steady with the brand.
Fuck that shit, man. Guess where we going? We got a B&B. Where? In Koh Samui.
We there.
Yeah.
Bro, this hoe got a pool on the inside, bro.
Pool in the Airbnb, bro.
Come on, stop playing, bro.
How much was it?
900.
For 3 days?
No, like 4 days. Damn.
December 22nd to the 22nd to the 26th.
We're going this Sunday.
Book your flight, bro.
Book your flight. The flight's like $100.
I know I ain't pick up the camera in a little minute. As y'all can see, it's nighttime. But I'm gonna just give a little update. Not so fun as filming, but I gotta do it. So I just 2x all my ad budgets because Renell said so. So we gonna see how that does tomorrow. He's scaling, so I'm gonna scale. We got a fucking haircut coming up. I ain't gonna say too much, but just know it's coming, bro. So no, not that low, not that low. Just
But zero, no?
yeah, just a little thin,
Like how you was going on.
What? Chill, bro. This person said, life been treating you nice. And honestly, I would say, God's been treating me nice, but like, we got my boy Chris, he said, advice you would give to a beginner in organic dropshipping. Honestly, as y'all know, I started out with organic dropshipping. The main thing with organic is find a banger product that's already intrinsically viral. Like, you need to see that product and be like, wow, like, I need that, or like, that can solve a problem. And then you choose that and you run with it. You keep posting videos, engaging videos, differentiate yourself. I think that's the word I'm looking for. And just try and make your stuff drive as much controversy as you can, but still aim it towards the product. That's all I can give right now. If you want to learn more about organic dropshipping, you can click the first link in the bio where I teach how I personally made $50,000 per month with organic dropshipping. All right, we got my boy Mike. My boy Mike said, let me get a rev check.
Oh my gosh.
Chill.
Yo.
All right, I forgot to update y'all on my German store. So what happened was the buying intent wasn't there. So I'm not sure if it's like the pricing or how their economy is. I didn't really look too deep into it, but it honestly flopped. I'm gonna try again with this newer product since like it's going stupid viral. And we'll pick that German store back up. But for right now, I'm just worried about scaling the main one.
The next day.
All right, y'all boys, but that's gonna wrap it up for this vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all found some type of value in it. This one was a bit longer than usual, but we had so much to do, so much to explore, and so much things to learn with the business aspect and just having fun in general. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next one because we will be going to a private island in Thailand. So till the next one, make sure y'all like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram @_JJHXNT, and go ahead and send me a DM if you do want to get started with dropshipping and make your first $10,000 online. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up. Love y'all boys and see you in the next one. Peace.